G'day all, SkyVac Australia. In Perth today, I just wanted to give you a bit of an overview of what SpinnerClean and SkyVac do and can do. Internal 27, truly portable internal high dusting vacuuming system. Tiny little vacuum, heap of punch, 3,800 litres per minute airflow, telescopic carbon fibre poles, an array of attachments. We have the Interceptor, a truly portable gutter vacuum system powered by a genuine Honda engine. Comes standard with the elite carbon fibre pole kits, 6, 9 and 12 metre. Also the Atom, which is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, comes with floor kit, 44mm carbon fibre poles, 6, 9 and I'll call it 8.5, 9 metre. Interceptors, Atoms, the big industrial 85, 13.7 amp, 15 amp, 5 kVA generator, 8,000 litres per minute airflow, 150 inches of water lift, 6, 9 and 12, the elite poles with the vacuum dump. In the back there we have the internal 30, another little fantastic internal high dusting vacuuming system, 44mm carbon fibre poles, 3,800 litres per minute airflow. Commercial 75, 7,166 litres per minute, comes in a different array of combinations, 44mm, 50mm taper fit carbon fibre poles and the elite carbon fibre pole kit. All systems available, recordable, non-recordable cameras. You can get us at skyvacaustralia.com.au 1300 884566.